What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Marshall Ruffs from Brawl Stars. Let's begin our lesson in the center of our page with the nose. So we start on the left side, we're going to draw a half circle, going up towards the top, and then bending that down. Now from the ends, we're going to angle this down and in towards the center with a straight line. Go back up towards the right, and then we'll fill the inside of the nose in black. Now we're going to tuck the side of the muzzle in behind the nose. So from the outside point, let's step up, curve the muzzle going out, and then down toward the left. Let's line this up on the right, going out, and then bending that down. Let's round out the bottom of the muzzle, starting back on the left, round this out, pull that up on the inside, and then we'll pull this up and in towards the center. Just bending that in, go out, and then down on the right. Let's tuck the chin underneath the muzzle. Starting back on the left, curve the chin coming down, and then up. Now we're going to move up and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Over on the left side, let's add a curve, going up the middle, and we'll bend that back down on the right. And we'll pull the side of the head in behind the muzzle. Starting from the top, go straight down, do the same thing on the right side. Now we're going to move back up and draw on the left eye. Starting underneath the hat brim, angle down and in towards the nose. Let's go back to the outside. We're going to draw a half circle, coming down towards the bottom of the eye, and then we'll just pull that up on the inside. Let's add a thin oval on the right side of the eye for the pupil. Starting from the top, come down, and then up, and we'll fill that in black. And then we'll add the eye patch on the right eye. Starting at the very top, draw a straight line coming down, come down towards the bottom of the muzzle, curve this out, and then up. Let's draw the large X in the center of the eye patch. From the top in the middle, step down, start with a point, angle up and out toward the left and right. We'll flatten off the ends, come back down and in toward the side. Now we're going to take this and flip it over along the bottom. From the sides we'll angle down and out, flatten off the ends, and we'll pull that up and in towards the middle. Let's fill the outside of the eye patch in black. Now that we've drawn the face, let's move down and draw on the side of the body. We start underneath the muzzle on the left side, curve the body going out, and then down towards the hip, go over towards the right, going out, and then down towards the same height. Now let's connect the hips with a curve, coming down the middle, and then bending that back up. Now let's go back up and draw on the collar. Leaving a gap in the center, go to the left, angle down and out toward the left, and right side. And then from the bottom, curve the collar going out and then up underneath the muzzle. And then from the tip of the collar, we're going to step up, draw two straight angle lines coming down and in. Let's move down to the center of the body and draw a circle for the button. Now we want to move down and draw the bottom edge of the vest. From the left hip, we're going to step up, angle down and in, line this up on the right, and do the same thing. Now from the bottom right, we're going to angle this up and out around the button, go straight up underneath the collar. And then from the bottom left, angle up and in towards the middle. Let's add the buckle in the center of the belt. Moving over toward the left, draw one line, and the same thing on the right. Just step up, draw a straight line going across the bottom, pull that up underneath the vest. And then we'll connect the top of the buckle with a straight line. And I'll move back up and draw on the vest collar, starting from the top left, angle down and out. And the same thing on the right. And I'll pull this up and out towards the top of the body. Now I'm going to go back to the center and draw on the rope tie. From the middle, curve down and out towards left and right. Let's continue working down towards the bottom of the feet. From the center, we're going to step down, draw a curve, left to right, going up and then down. And then from the middle, curve down and out towards the bottom of the pant. Let's go up to the hips, draw the outside of the leg, curving out and then down. And then connect the outside to the inside with a curve, coming down and then in. Let's go to the inside of the pant, draw a straight line coming down on either side towards the heel. And then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. From the heel, curve the foot, coming down and then up. Let's round out the top of the foot, starting from the outside, curve up towards the pant, spin that down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap on the inside. And then from the outside corner of the pant, we'll step in, draw a straight line coming down on the top of the foot. Let's add that pouch on the left side. From the bottom corner of the belt, go straight out, come down, and then bend that in towards the side of the leg. Now the right arm is going to be tucked in behind the body. So let's start from the top, step out, curve the arm going out, and then down towards the elbow, come down and in towards the hip, leaving a gap on the inside. And draw a straight angle line coming up and in towards the side of the body. Now from here we're going to step up, draw a straight angle line coming down and out, go back up to the top, curve up and out, and then along the bottom of the cuff, draw a small circle with a button. Let's close off the bottom of the hand. From the bottom of the cuff, step up, curve down and in towards the side of the body. Now the left arm is going to be saluting on the side of the head. So let's start from the side of the muzzle, start with the cuff. We're going to come down and then up on the outside. Then from here, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll follow that same curve coming down and up in behind the muzzle. Let's go to the inside of the cuff and curl around the thumb. And go up, come down, round up the tip of the thumb, and then pull that back in. And then from the outside of the cuff, we're going to step in, draw on the first finger, curving in and then up, round up the finger, and just pull that down. Let's add 2 more fingers in behind. Starting from the top, go up, bend that down, go back up to the top, go up, and then tuck that in toward the side of the head. Let's wrap the cuff in behind the hand. Starting from the top point, curve up and in, and then on the side of the cuff, draw a half circle for the button. Let's close off the bottom of the arm. From the bottom corner of the cuff, we'll step in, curve the arm coming down, and then in towards the elbow, come in and up towards the side of the body. And then we'll add that fold across the elbow, starting from the inside of the cuff, curve down, and then out. Now to move out to the side and draw on the ears. Let's start with the ear on the right, starting from the top of the head, come down, bend that out, let's round out the ear, and just pull that in towards the side of the arm. Let's go up to the top left, curve this down and out in behind the hand. Now we'll continue the ear towards the side of the arm, starting out here, curve this out and then in, and we'll just line this up, coming down and then in towards the side of the body. And then we'll add that thick edge along the front of the ear. From the top, we'll step down, just follow that same curve, coming around and then down, and then just taper down towards the bottom of the ear. Let's do the same thing on the left, starting from the outside, come down, and then taper down towards the bottom. Let's move all the way back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat brim. We're going to line up at the side of the head, go up toward the top, draw a straight line going across from left to right. And then we'll round up the left side of the hat coming back in towards the side. So starting up here, go out, round up the hat, and then just pull that back in. And it will bend the right side of the hat going up. Starting up here, curve this out, and then up. Let's round out the tip of the hat, and then come down. And pull this down, and then bend that in towards the right side of the head. Now we're going to add a thick edge along the front of the hat. Starting from the side, just going to taper this up and in. Pull this all the way across towards the right. And it will bend this up, just lining up with that top curve on the right. And it will connect the inside to the outside with a curve, going up and then down. Now we're going to place the top of the hat in behind the brim. Let's line up the side of the head above the brim, curve this up, and then bend that in. Line up the right side of the head above the brim, going up and in towards the same height. Let's close off the top with a curve, going up the middle and then back down. Let's add that large star badge in the center of the hat. Starting from the very top, in the middle, curve this out and down toward the left and right side. From the ends, bend this out and then down. And then from the outside, curve this down and then in. Now the bottom of the star is going to get covered by the brim. Starting back out here, curve this out and tuck that in behind. Let's add a small circle on the tip of the star. Starting on the left, go all the way around, just tuck that in. Do the same thing along the top and the right side. Let's go to the center of the star, along the top, draw a curve, going up and then down. And from the ends, angle down and in. Let's round up the side, coming in and out. And I'll pull this down and in towards the center point. Now we tuck the band in behind that star. Starting from the bottom corner, curve this up and in underneath the star. Line this up on the right, going out and then down. And step down and draw that again. Going up and in. Continue on the right. And that's pretty much it. There's Marshall Ruffs from Brawl Stars. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me your requests in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.